Tessolve, being fundamentally a test engineer, I believe that starting a test engineering company would be something that I'm good at. And that's how we started in the test engineering space. Along the way, being a very idealistic person, I wanted to create a company that had a DNA of people wanting to come to work. People love coming to the office. I had seen many companies where there was fear of whether they'll have a job, at the end of the month, they'll get paid, whether they get laid off, So I wanted to create an environment where there's no fear, there'll be innovation.
Tessolve is surely a life changer, not only for the founding team, also for the rest of Tessolvians, including me. Then another pride for us is Tessolve has become part of Hero Group, and we will continue in this growth path, and I wish all success to the Tessolvians.
It all started in 2004, a revolution in Indian semiconductor industry. When we came here, we hardly had 15 to 20 test engineers in the country. In the last 15 years, we have produced 3,000 test engineers in the country. For the past 15 years, it's fun to come to office every day because everything is new in Tessolve. As of now, in 2019, in 15 years, we have grown from 10 to 2,000 plus engineers. We are the largest test and third-party product company in the world. The best is yet to come. 20 and 25 will be more and better years for Tessolve.
A very fulfilling and exciting journey for me for the last 15 years. I always had a dream of starting a company of my own, and I was about 37 years old when I decided to take the plunge. And around the same time, I heard that Raja was starting something in the same space. And I decided to meet him, and then we discussed about this. We had similar ideas, and I decided to join hands with him. And after the initial excitement, the reality began to kick in. For one, there was no business model in this test engineering space. It was very tough to explain to the customers and investors, that we can build a successful company around this. And also there was no engineering talent in this space in India. So we had to start from grounds up. Some customers, had some belief in us, wanted to take a chance with us, and gave us some projects. So we got started.
You have to be excited about what you do. And as a salesperson, as somebody who's customer facing, that passion has to be seen across the company. And every day, even if I am, sitting in a remote location, when I talk to the engineering team, when I talk to the procurement team, you can feel their excitement about being here and about delivering and about, what they do every day. And that helps me translate that excitement in front of the customer.
They come as a fresh engineer, then we have structured training program for them to move to a senior engineer, then as a lead, and then as a manager. They develop the soft skills which make them better individuals in their career, and in turn, it also makes our customers derive a better working experience with Tessolve. This is a step towards creating Tessolve as a great place to work, and we also look forward to the next 2 to 5 years creating Tessolve as a great engineering services company across the globe.
Our core strengths are able to scale up quickly to customer needs and meeting the project deliverables with quality. We bring in a lot more value add to our customers by providing low cost and efficient solutions with our planning, first time right hardware and modularized program development. We challenge ourselves to improve our timelines by automation, enhance our quality metrics for a flawless execution. Our robust training process and partnership with universities in delivering semiconductor test engineering course help us grooming fresh grads to successful test and product engineers.
After working on several projects for last 15 years at Tessolve, we do not shy away from challenges. One such project that both of us worked on together that comes to mind was for one of the largest mobile chipset design companies in the world. The project came to us at the last minute. and the challenge was to get a team of 25 plus engineers available for this project in a very short amount of time. To top it off, the time to market was less than 3 months, with production volume ramp up to millions within 7 to 8 months.
One of the biggest challenges was to validate DDR at high speed, which was quite new for us that time. Also, since it was 12-site board, we did not have enough tester resources on ATE platform, and we had to design a complex onboard circuitry to multiplex tester resources while still having maximum possible coverage and minimum impact to tester time.
This was easier said than done, as we had to coordinate with customers who had teams in multiple locations across the globe, as well as have the team work round the clock in shifts using multiple testers remotely in different locations and in different time zones. Since we had a large pool of engineers with the skill sets across all domains of test engineering, we were able to get a team ready and trained for this project, and were able to achieve all the milestones of the project with customer satisfaction.
Team within Tessolve has come with a lot of innovations and ideas to meet to the challenges that was required by the customers, and also to scale up to the demands of the customer. When we talk about the work culture, it's not a hierarchical work culture, and we are just an open work culture where the people and the team come out with a lot of ideas and innovations to meet and fulfill the requirement of the customer.
Day for me, mainly in FA at Tessolve, is like precision meeting energy. And it's not only failure analysis, it's defining the success of a new design, a prototype or an actual product.
Proactively working on customers' pain point is one of the key things in building a partnership with our customers. Robust process implementation across business verticals that focuses on highest quality, cycle time, and eventually it helps in scalability is also a key thing. I saw a journey where customers saw us as a vendor. Now they are looking at us as a partner because we are able to address their technology needs, what they have now.
Proactive.
Testing experts.
Understanding.
Dynamic.
Different.
Straightforward.
Happiness.
Diverse.
Innovative.
Open-minded.
Creative. Guiding.
Semiconductor savvy.
Animated.
Experimental.
Very energetic.
Honest.
Testing specialist.
Beautiful ocean of knowledge.
Enriching experience taught into reality.
Bunch of technocrats.
Best in class market leaders.
Talented and enthusiastic team.
Lots of opportunities to grow.
Enriching and amazing journey.
Helps strengthen business and employee relationship. I will proudly say I'll be like an ambassador to this company.
I enjoy working with Tessolve.
Together we are one team. Together we are Tessolve.